In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix or troubleshoot Hoichoi app. If you are facing any challenge from Hoichoi app, maybe you can't watch movies, or you can't open the app, or it keeps on crashing, or maybe the app is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to fix any issue with your Hoichoi app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to achieve this. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot it. To do that, just go to settings, and from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now tap on it, and under apps, go ahead and tap on manage apps or all apps depending on the Android smartphone you are using. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from the list, find your app, and as you can see, my app is here. You can also search for your app using the search bar on top. Once you have found it, tap on it, and you can see we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back and then look for your app. And once you have located your app, just long press on it. And here you can see we have app info. From this will take you again to the same app info page. And for this, we want to clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data on this app. And of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores whenever you use your app to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data down here and then choose clear cache and OK. And you can see cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have fixed any problem that you are experiencing. However, should this not solve your problem, then come back again to this app info page, and this time around again go to clear data and choose the first option, clear all data, and OK. From here, you need to go ahead and log into your app to see if the problem has been solved. However, should this not solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and access this app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have any update. So I'll go to Google Play Store, and you can see my app is here. It is installed. For my case, I don't have any update. If you have any update, go ahead and update it. And by updating your app, you'll be able to fix any issues related to your app, maybe security issues or bugs that needs to be fixed. Once you have updated it, go ahead and tap on open to start using it. In most cases, this should be able to fix any problem, and you should get now the latest version of this app. However, should you still experience any challenge, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall this app and then install it afresh to solve any issues of bugs that might have been attached to your app. So once you install afresh, now you should have no issue using this app. So by following any of these steps, you should be able to fix your app and get your app running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.